We have Mocha here. We're going to style in a loose curl. As you can see, Mocha has been washed. Her hair is dried naturally. Just a light layer of heat protection over the top layer. And then we'll begin to section her off, going horizontal partings all the way from the occipital to the crown and then creating a horseshoe. Okay, so we're just going to section up all of this hair. Mocha is an 18-inch wig. So again, with a flat iron, we're going to create soft waves by taking a section through the back, just taking our hands, our fingers through the hair to garnish a cleaner section, taking the flat iron from 2 inches from the hair shaft, from the root rather, we're going to go in, turn over in one singular motion and coming back down the hair shaft. And then we have a loose curl, and we can either keep that or we can drag it up after we're finished, all the hair. Which I like to do is drag out the curl. So it's a little bit more textured. A horseshoe section now up from the crown, and then we continue to create the alternating curl starting from the other side now. Really feel like I could be the Bob Ross of styling hair. Was it sort of an ASMR experience? I don't know, you tell us. Okay, so again, just two inches out from the root area, and then coming in and rolling and in one motion. Smoothed over with some wild curls. So we can either wear this out in terms of a sort of throw around glamour look, or we can brush them through, which is what I'm about to do now. The brush through, we'll just separate the curls. Thank you for watching.